Hi. So today I thought of doing a fun activity with you all, and I usually do all these things on a daily basis. I do this time pass. People really ask me how I spend my time. I have a job, and apart from makeup, I like to decorate my house, as you can see in the back. This mirror has been made by me. It's on my channel, and all these things small. So I was doing one more of this, so I thought of sharing with you all and doing it with you all. And it's a very famous and so I have these two bottles, wine bottles. It was another one was also there. Three were there, but unfortunately yesterday it broke. So I'll quickly show the items which are needed for this activity to be performed. And these obviously are wine bottles. It's green in color. You can obviously have the transparent ones or the black brown ones. Then I am using this spray paint. It is from Daffodil spray paint, and it's quick drying. It's basically have full gloss and quick drying. Vivid colors are there, and this is in the shade 900 white. This I have ordered from Amazon, and it's rupees 150. So you just have to shake while using it. There is some pin. Then I have this rug cloth, and I will be using this newspaper obviously for this. But the most important thing, which is this thread, you can use any of these threads. This is not thread, this is rope. I think this is very small rope, and I will be using this for wrapping it around. So this is required. Another thing which we need is a small tape. I have this bigger one. You can use the smaller one just to stick this because I am doing this activity inside, so there might be possibility कि मैं spray paint करूँ तो ये walls पे भी लग जाए. I'm using this rope for a reason, and I will tell you in the last minute when this video will finish, or almost. This is all dry now, so we'll wait and we'll take them together, and I'll open this and then we will talk. So now they are all dried up, and now I want to tell you why I have used these threads. I wanted these bottles to look little natural, not made up with the tape and the jute and all. They are so tightly packed that when we spray, that area is like fully uncovered. But here what we will see is that there is not exact a dark line or a dark border to the areas where the color has not been done, and it would look more natural, and finished look will be subtle and cute, which I thought of, which I will not get in a tape or threads if I just stick it to it, and that's what I was not willing to do. And this rope, as you can see, we have tied it very much in difficulty. Now you can see these lines are not proper, they are little bit hazy, and somewhere the lines are very light, somewhere it is dark. It looks very natural and very nice. Even the area where white color is there, you have seen that I have not sprayed too much. So if I'll put anything inside it like light or anything, it would look very nice and it would reflect.